There's a car outside beeping, stop it. Hey everyone, in today's DIY video, I'm going to show you how to customize a plain old toolbox and turn it into awesome storage for all sorts of your arts and crafts supplies. So many. This is also a challenge with Goldie from GoldieBlox to see which one of us can craft up the most creative looking toolbox. It's gonna be me. I'm just kidding, Goldie is awesome. You all should go check out her channel to see a ton of amazing DIYs and life hacks. You will not be disappointed. Become a part of the Goldie squad like me. I got a wrench on my necklace. Also guys, this is really exciting. The two of us are giving away a, wait for it, rose gold MacBook! Woo! I can't really move my arms in this jacket too much, but trust me, I am excited. Plus a Goldie Squad necklace. If you want a chance to win, all you have to do is be subscribed to both of our channels, SoCraftastic and GoldieBlox, and also leave a comment below. Make it interesting, something creative, something funny, anything that you want. We're gonna choose our very favorite as the winner. Now it's challenge time. Are you ready, Goldie? Let's go. Here I have a fairly basic plastic toolbox. It's definitely not fun enough to be part of my craft room, so I'm using an acrylic paint that is suitable for plastic, and it's my absolute favorite color, a light turquoise blue or Pacific Coast as it says on the bottle. I put that paint onto a plastic lid, and I have a 1-inch paintbrush, so it's fairly large but small enough to get into the grooves. And now I'm going to paint a thin layer all over the entire toolbox, everywhere that I want to be covered. I want to hide all the black and make it turquoise. I thought that this multi-surface premium satin acrylic paint was a perfect choice for me because where I live right now, it's really cold outside and I can't use spray paint. It's just not going to work when it's snowing, and I don't have a garage since I live in an apartment, so this is a perfect option for those of you who maybe live in a smaller space and don't have a workshop to use. Plus you have a lot more control because you don't have to tape over any of the areas you don't want paint on, and also it's not as messy. I'm putting this everywhere, like I said, except for the bottom, so I'm doing the front and back, the two sides, and the top. And you can see to help me out, I did tape up those metal latches on the front with some duct tape onto the top of the box when I wanted to get underneath them. After I had a single coat painted on the entire box, I let it dry for as long as the paint told me to. You just want to look at the directions on that. And I moved on to putting a second layer, which is really going to make this look a lot nicer because you won't be able to see any of the toolbox plastic color through. It's going to look a lot more smooth and even and pretty turquoise blue. It's really coming together nicely. If you're new here, this is my cat Leo, by the way. He says hi and welcome to the SoCraftastic channel. Thank you so much for watching. Meow. Then after finishing the main parts of the box, I moved on to the handle at the top. I didn't want it to be red, I thought it kind of clashed, so I'm using a jet black. I started with a larger brush, but then I switched to a smaller detailing brush so I could get all those nooks and crannies. Goodbye red. Now I'm going to customize this even more to fit my personality. So I am taking a thin paintbrush and some white paint, and I'm just going to do an abstract doodle, which is kind of like a mandala Zentangle leafy petal pattern. It's really pretty. And a tip I have for small details, if your paintbrush is just too big, even if you have one of the smallest ones possible, grab a toothpick or a dotting tool and you can make even smaller dots like I'm doing here. To balance that shape out a little bit, I'm moving up to the top left and I'm going to put a large flower with a circle in the center and then two solid little tiny flowers, and all around that are some polka dots. Now I'm taking a little tiny piece of sandpaper to remove a bit of paint on the top here. I'm doing this because even though glue does stick to paint in most cases, it's easier for the piece to rip off. So here I'm taking hot glue and I'm going to attach a really beautiful tulle bow. You all know me and my love for bows. Now let's bring in some bling. I put some clear and black rhinestones along these clear compartments on top. I'm using super glue to attach each one individually. And now let's bring some bling to the inside as well. So I'm opening this up and attaching some larger rhinestones to that handle in the middle of the inside of the toolbox. Now I'm going to trim the tray by using a sparkly, shimmery, iridescent pipe cleaner, and I'm putting a few of those all the way around to create a border. And the final piece of decor I'm adding to the inside is a piece of patterned scrapbook paper on either side of the handle. And I'm just gluing those pieces to the plastic with hot glue. Finally, it's time to show you what I'm going to put in this toolbox. I have a pretty pack of washi tape, a pair of scissors, some clear tape, an adorable kitty cat mechanical pencil, and this really pretty black one with gold polka dots. I also put in some binder clips, a hole punch, these adorable and yummy looking candy shaped markers. They're highlighters, and they actually smell like fruit. Over here are some cute bookmarks. And I had to put this little dinosaur charm in. How cute is this? Goldie head fish, which are also really cute. And a piggy pencil sharpener. Now let's move on to the bottom section, the hidden compartment of this toolbox. Ooh, you could hide treasure under here. But I'm choosing to put a bullet journal, a pack of colorful markers, and then I have a little plastic tray that I'm going to dump some markers into. And I have a square one over here that I'm putting stickers into, and the Goldie Squad necklace. And I also have a really pretty pencil pouch, some crayons, and a ruler. Finally, I'm going to show you what I ended up putting on top. So here I'm putting more pens. These are really colorful felt tip ones, and I also put another pack of markers and a glue stick. Then on the other side, I have a little notepad, glitter, an eraser, and pom-poms. Now, a lot of my arts and crafts supplies have a brand new home, and I have a beautiful piece of decor to look at that doubles as storage, so I am very pleased. So which toolbox is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget about the Macbook giveaway. Remember, all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to both of our channels, SoCraftastic and GoldieBlox, and leave an interesting comment below. We're going to be choosing our very favorite to win. Good luck, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I got a wrench on my necklace. Goldie Squad. Goldie Squad. Can that be our official song, Goldie, please?